Johnny Prime here again with Frantic TV. Got a new episode of Around the Hood in 8 minutes for you today. We'll be checking out downtown and the financial district. It's gonna be at least twice the amount of places I did on the Lower East Side. There's a lot of ground to cover, so buckle up. Here we go.
I'm going to show you guys some spots in Lower Manhattan. So we're on Broadway heading downtown. That right there is my old apartment. So here we have the Civic Center, State Court, Federal Court, Municipal Building, City. There's the church where the cake dealer and I got married. This building here is the probate court. It's got a really beautiful ceiling inside. So there's the Woolworth building. There's City Hall. Now this is a cool spot here. This is Park Row. This is where P.T. Barnum used to have his famous circus. Getting down into the financial district now, near the World Trade Center. I'll show you the World Trade Center. Footprint of one of the towers. I'll show you the new building. So this spot's cool. This is the Oculus. It's really a transportation hub now for PATH train to Jersey and some subway lines down here. Yeah, inside there is actually really cool. It's like inside of a whale or something. I don't know how to describe it. It's pretty cool. Wall Street and Trinity Church. The cool thing about Trinity Church is there's a historical figure buried here. Let's see if we can see his tomb from the sidewalk like we used to. Yeah, there it is. Alexander Hamilton. He's a good rapper apparently. I'm actually gonna bang a Yui here before I continue down. But I want you to see the stock exchange, Wall Street. New York Stock Exchange. All right, there's a little detour going back on Broadway. Oh, this is tight. If you're a fan of the movie American Psycho, the Pearson Pierce investment banking firm, mergers and acquisitions, was located right here on Exchange Place. And just around the block from here, they filmed the part where he's trying to feed the cat into the ATM machine. I forgot how much there is to see down here, and I'm missing a lot of it too. I know I already missed some. Here's another famous spot. The Bull. It's crowded. Getting into some of the oldest areas of Manhattan. When Manhattan was first colonized by Europeans, this was really the extent of where they lived. Basically, south of Wall Street, there was actually a wall there. One of my favorite steakhouses, which has been closed since the pandemic, Delmonico's. But the good thing is that right around the corner is another great steakhouse called Harry's. Right there at the corner of Stone and William. The address is actually Hanover Square. Okay, I'm gonna turn on Pearl Street. Pearl Street actually got its name because all of the oyster shells that they used to pave the road would sparkle when the light hit it. Now it looks like shit, but in the old days, I guess it had a sparkle to it. Okay, so here's the other one I wanted to show you down here. France's Tavern. It is completely covered in scaffolding, which sucks. France's is a restaurant, is a bar, is a Revolutionary War museum, and right around the block is a really awesome bar called The Dead Rabbit. It's kind of like a speakeasy, and they make one of the best Irish coffees you'll ever have. So this next spot is going to be crowded too, because it's where a lot of people get the ferry to the Statue of Liberty. But there's something cooler I want to show you. Well, maybe not cooler, but pretty cool. There's an old fort down here called Castle Clinton. It was built, I think, in like 1808 or something. If you ever read the book The Alienist, about a serial killer in New York City in the early 1800s, I think the first body was discovered here at this spot, up on the roof. The show sucked, but the book was great. And it's now a museum. So that's pretty much it. You see this nice view going up the West Side Highway. The end of the West Side Highway right here, with the Trade Center looming overhead.
So that's it, we did it. All of downtown financial district in just 8 minutes. I hope you check out some of those places and make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Tell everyone you know about it.